Hello, I am Favour. I'm a forward-looking pharmacist and a highly passionate integrative medicine practitioner. Over the last 15 years, I have helped dozens of clients reverse difficult health challenges using integrative medicine. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, I make videos with groundbreaking information to educate you on everything health and wellness. Expect videos on foods to avoid that can actually kill, daily habits for a longer life, how to remove fat from your liver, how to lower your risk of cancer down to zero, a little about myself, my business, and so on. I am here to help you and to guide you. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos every Tuesdays and Saturdays. See you in the next video.